Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you how you can add your address on booking.com app or website. If you are using booking.com and then you want to add your address, for that just open your app on your mobile phone. At the bottom right side you can see my account option. Click on this my account option. Now here you can see the option called personal information. Just click on this personal information. When you click on it, scroll down and here you will see an option called address. Just simply click on this address. Now you have to fill up this form. First of all, click on country and select your country of residence. After when you select your country, just write your zip address country, like your zip address, your city. After writing all the details, filling up these forms, you will just simply click on this save information. When you click on save, your address will be saved in your booking.com app or account. Next time, your process will be smooth.